Welcome to another video on my ESP32 Internet of Things and other stuff included with this device. Currently attached to a servo motor and a fischertechnik pulse modulation driven motor. Servo motor is also pulse modulation driven. LED buzzer, 7segment display, which are actually LEDs. An LDR right here, LCD, keypad non-functioning, and event microphone which is not attached. So what did I do last time? Well, basically testing with ArduinoIDE as well as the ESP IDF toolchain. And the ESP IDF toolchain uses standard C, ANSI C, or whatever name you want to call it, Kernighan Ritchie C. While in Arduino environment use Arduino C, AVR C actually. Attached are some probes which lead to that oscilloscope, pulse modulation, digital signal when active, and this one is not connected yet. So where do I go? Well, let's just see how far we can get. First of all, using the Arduino IDE, seeing whatever is connected and whatever it does, and then this should show some digits. And in the ESP IDF I have shown some digits just statically, and I want to change that. So let's go and see whatever the software brings in a short amount of time. So this is the whole idea of the circuit from another point of view. Arduino IDE, and that should be connected to ESP32, high speed, the USB 2, etc. So let's do it. And I've changed nothing to this code, so everything should be running from random access memory. And then it would be also nice to have the serial monitor running. And there things work. And once again, the motors don't do a thing. Not surprisingly, but when I look here at the oscilloscope, the time base is a bit very short. So let me change that one. That is better. Although on the other hand, using, no, the other way, then the slope of the LED is much clearer. So let's keep it just this way. This also shows, by the way, and I should show it up close. This shows that pulse modulation is very active. It just is the case that the motors don't do a thing. Oh, let me connect the last probe to the voltage. That is a very wise thing to do. And the voltage is somewhere around here. And yes, this shows, and that is this line, that it is 3.3 volts. So the motors should be working. So despite this not working and despite that one not working, everything else works. So let's go to the other environment. Let's close this one and then go here. ESP IDF. To make it even clearer, and here as well. So this is where I do the pulse modulation for the motors, which are currently doing nothing, and they don't even feel like doing anything, so that's even worse. Then I have, let me expand this this view. Then this is where I put the 7segment display, and I want to do something different with it. Then reading the LDR, light dependent resistor, and then do some more on the motors. Anyway, to do more on the 7segment display, I have to make sure that I have the correct wires. Currently I have 5, 15, 2, 4 and 17. And that is right here. So where's everything coming from? This is 15. Do I have this one? This is 17, which I have. Then this one is 15, which I do have. Then this one is 4, I think. I need a magnifying glass for that to actually, yeah, a big one, but it doesn't matter. That is indeed 4, and 4 is already in use. That's good. Next one is 2. Yeah, 2 and 15. So I am missing 19. I am missing 19. That is 1. So that is 6 wires in a 7-segment display. Should be right. Alright, let's put it in. Oh no, I have to go here, and add it here. One, whatever this means. No, it's 1. Then GPIO output IO 5, and that is it. Going here, and 5. And I am missing something, because it is, although it is a 7-segment display, I have now 6. But anyway, let's check. So while this is running, I am going to make and see if there's an error. There isn't any. Make flash. And make monitor. And now, alright, that wire away. Ah, see, that's what I know. So I have to relay these wires, and now I only miss the top wire, wherever it is coming from. And then I notice that this wire is out. Then that should be somewhere here, but this wire is a bad example. I have to find out where it comes from, if it comes from anywhere. I have to check that out. So anyway, one more. This one is also connected, and then two more actually, obviously. Now it's symbolizing a D. Alright, so that's easy to do. I still have to do the buzzer, which is IO. That will be 22, I think. But why gamble when I can look it up? So let's do that. And the schematics show that the buzzer right here is coming from IO23. So let's do that. Go up and have output added. And this will be output. Well, I have to just define it, so I'm not numbering it now. And that's a nice one. I call it buzz, which will be then, according to this one, 23. So this will be 23 instead. And it also needs to be added to the pin selection. So let's do that as well. GPIO output IO BUZ, which is enough. And then, well, this is obviously, this needs a printf stating that this is the 7segment display. And where will I do the buzzer? Well, let's just do that in between this is reading of the samples. Let's just do it here. So sleep here, and then yank, paste, and that will be, instead of 5, BUZ. Sleep for 1, and let's do that. So and make flash. And then I should have a short buzzer. Monitor. Ouch! Okay. Ooh. This is not the intention, obviously. I have to be able to put it out. And that explains what I forgot here. I obviously forget to put this one out. Off. Like now the buzzer. So yes, that is a mistake. And I think that is a nice one to conclude this video. Adding an LED on the 7segment display, adding the buzzer, but I have to put them all out, or to be able to, and motors that don't work. That's a nice one. So, keeping the buzzer muffled or silenced, kind of. This is the end of it, of this episode. Thanks for watching. Once again, let me show you, I hope, oops. One-handed is a bit difficult, but you see that there's no signal at all on the oscilloscope. Anyway, LED added. This is added. Do nothing. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment or suggestion. You can also follow me via Instagram and Twitter. Please show your support by making a donation via either PayPal or Wired. And you can also show your support by becoming a patron. And depending on the pledge you make, have your name mentioned on my website and with my videos. More information under this video. And please show my take a look at my website. This is going to be continued. Have a nice day and bye bye.